This video shows you how to install Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. If your local law forbids you from doing DIY electrical work, this install must be done by a qualified electrician. Even if your area allows it, do not attempt this install unless you are skilled in electrical wiring and safety. There are two ways to power this Ring doorbell. If your home has a wired doorbell system, Ring Doorbell can be powered by the included doorbell transformer, which replaces your existing transformer. If your existing transformer meets these requirements, you may not need to replace it. However, most doorbell systems outside North America do not meet this standard. If you don't have a wired doorbell system or prefer not to use it, you can connect a Ring plug-in adapter instead, which works with a standard power outlet. Okay, we'll start with the instructions for wiring to a doorbell system. If you're going to use Ring plug-in adapter, skip this section. Press your existing doorbell button and listen for the sound. Follow it to find your doorbell chime and remove the cover. Before you continue, the master switch in your consumer unit must be turned off. If your chime contains a transformer like this and has both mains power wires and doorbell wires attached, it must be replaced with a suitable enclosure for the included DIN rail transformer. To do this, the mains power wires and the doorbell wires should be disconnected from the doorbell chime, and it should be removed from the wall. The included transformer should be installed inside the new DIN enclosure. The enclosure should be mounted in place of the old chime, and the mains and doorbell wires should be routed safely inside. The line and neutral mains wires should be connected to the terminals marked L and N on the bottom of the new transformer, and the doorbell wires should be connected to the terminals marked plus and minus on top. If your chime does not contain a transformer and only has doorbell wires attached, find out which wires run out to your doorbell button. The corresponding terminal screws should be loosened and the wires below disconnected. The wire ends should be lined up together and covered with the included wire nut. Twisting the wire nut clockwise binds the wires together. Make sure the connection is secure and place the cover back on your doorbell chime. Next, locate your existing doorbell transformer. It may be inside your consumer unit or mounted elsewhere, near other electrical equipment. The 4 wires should be disconnected from the existing transformer and it should be removed. Then the included transformer should be installed in its place. If needed, the transformer can be removed from its spacer by pulling the spacer sides outward and pushing from the rear. The line and neutral mains wires should be connected to the terminals marked L and N on the bottom of the new transformer. And the doorbell wires should be connected to the terminals marked plus and minus on top. Make sure each connection is secure. Now, let's uninstall your existing doorbell button. Remove it from the wall and disconnect the wires. Make sure the wires don't fall back inside the wall as you'll need them soon. If you plan to power your Ring doorbell with a plug-in adapter rather than a doorbell transformer, unpack it and ensure that the proper power plug is installed for your region. If you followed the previous transformer wiring instructions, skip past this section. Choose an indoor power socket near your install location and set the plug-in adapter on the ground beneath. Do not plug it in yet. Run the wire to your doorbell location. This can be done through a hole in the wall or through a window or other opening. If desired, use the included wire clips to route the wire cleanly. Okay, so now either your wired doorbell system has been prepared or you've set up a Ring plug-in adapter. Now Ring doorbell can be installed. Unpack the Ring doorbell and remove the faceplate by grasping the bottom and pulling gently. Use it as a template to mark the screw hole locations on your wall. If your power wires are coming through a hole in the wall, your Ring doorbell should be mounted so that its terminals line up with that hole. After you've marked the screw holes, connect your doorbell wires or plug-in adapter connectors to the terminals on your Ring doorbell. If you're installing on brick or concrete, use a power drill with a 6mm masonry bit to pre-drill the holes. Then insert the included wall plugs. If you're installing on a wooden surface, you can skip this step. Now, unpack the mounting screws from bag A. Feed any excess wiring back into the wall, then screw in your Ring doorbell with the mounting screws. If Ring doorbell is connected to your doorbell system, restore power at the consumer unit. If you're using a Ring plug-in adapter, plug it into your chosen socket. Now, let's attach the faceplate. Unpack the small security screw from bag B and the included screwdriver. Insert the security screw into this hole on the bottom of your doorbell and tighten it with the screwdriver. Do not use any other type of screw to secure the faceplate. It may take a little while for your Ring doorbell to power on. You'll know it's ready once the light starts spinning and it makes a sound. Open the Ring app and start the setup process. The app will guide you the rest of the way. Congrats! Job done. If you need more info, head to ring.com/help.